Hey, and welcome to a new vlog with me. Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm at like a rave with this smoke, right? You can tell I've never been to a rave because they don't think they have smoke. There's like discos in year 6. Apologies. Looked like I was at a disco back in the day. I won't lie, discos used to slap, and I would always win the cha-cha slide because remember the DJ would be like, right kids, get on the dance floor, give me your best cha-cha slide, and the one who does it the best wins a prize. And I would literally be like, bam, bam. I would take that so seriously. Anywho, welcome, it's a weekend. And I feel like by vlogging, it puts a little bit of purpose in my weekends because my weekends, I feel like I'm finding weekends a lot harder in isolation than weekdays, because weekdays I feel like my days have purpose, I have something to do, whereas weekends I feel like everyone's out doing things, so I'm like just stuck at home, you know. So I feel like if I vlog it makes it feel like I'm with my pals, you guys watching, you know, just together. Anyway, I am about to have Bible study, and I think basically before isolation happened that I really wanted to go to, there's this like garden centre with a little food section with, you know, one of those places. And I was going to go before isolation shut it, and then literally isolation shut it. So I've been wanting to go for a really long time, and I feel like that might be the vibe for today. You know what I can update you on? Hang on. Mum's just doing the hoovering. Also, I am now officially a clean queen because of my new room. I love it. I've stayed tidy for a whole week, which is a big thing for me. Every day I tidy it now. Who is she? I don't know, but I know, Nanny, if you're watching, you're going to be proud of me, so I know, I'm a clean gal. The other day, I'm going to start the footage now. We got a new fridge freezer. Obviously, Dad's going to paint up here. It's a whole ordeal. Guys, we're getting a new fridge, and I just have to document what the fridge used to look like. Oh, it's gone. The fridge is gone. Oh no. Quick, I don't want them to see me. Okay, they're gone. Let's see it.
They were lovely people.
Were they?
Really lovely. And he said you did the right thing not getting an ice maker thing.
Why?
He said they're more trouble than they're worth.
Banksy, how do you feel? Wow.
He said it's a really good, when he heard the price, he said you got a really good deal. And I can't believe he said you ordered it on Monday and you've got it today. It's just not happening.
So we store our drinks here, right here. And I was baking some brownies, and I went to get some oil like this, and somehow, I don't know how, the wine bottle fell. And when I say the whole of the red wine smashed everywhere, literally like was smashed into smithereens, and it went all over the new fridge, and it dented the new fridge. It's so annoying being this clumsy. It's an actual problem because honestly it was such a mess to clean up because you've got the glass and you've got the wine, but then obviously you've got the element of it staining. It was a full shenanigan, but I think it's done. I feel like this is why I feel like we can't get a new oven, because I'll probably just break it, knowing me. But we do really need a new oven because it's infuriating when you try and bake bread and then it doesn't work. Sorry, I keep doing loads of different accents and I don't know why, and I don't even know what the accents are. Anyway, also, look what we've got on the go here. Dun-dun-dun-dun. A starter. Because I'm going to be making a sourdough. Now I've got my KitchenAid. I really need to go now. Also, I need to clean the bathroom today. That's also on the agenda, but we can do that. Come along, you know. Also, I've got a really comfy outfit on and I'm so here for it. I'm so comfy. We still haven't got doors though, because online IKEA, oh, this is really boring, no one cares today. I've got 5 minutes, otherwise I'm going to be late, and I hate being late. It's one of my biggest things. Yesterday I went to play tennis with my friend, which also, another fun fact, I suck at sports, I come to the realisation. So does anyone remember when, I think it was David Walliams, but I'm not entirely sure. Basically, celebrities, when they're not good at a sport, they like have a whole programme where they learn a sport, and it's so unfair because then they get trained by professionals. Whereas the average Joe doesn't have that luxury, so they just suck at sport. So like, I really want to try fencing, I want to try ice skating, I want to try ice hockey, I want to try water polo, I want to try horse riding, never been horse riding, I want to try so many things. Hurdling, never done that either. Like, I want to try it. High jump, never done that. What if I'm really good at, what if I could have been an Olympian all these years going, and I just never know. Anyway, yeah, and we were just saying how is it celebrities just get the opportunity? Because I remember, I think it was David Walliams, he couldn't swim, And then he had like a professional trainer. Incredible. Anyway, really need to go now. So my venting about my sporting capability. Ding ding. So about to get ready to go out. We're about to go to it's like a bougie garden centre with a farm shop. Pick up some snacks. I kind of want to buy myself a candle because I've nearly run out of my candle. I'm bad again. I actually got the camera on because I knew you were going to say something about the amount of receipts in my car.
It's not just the receipts, it's all the rubbish, babe. It's not good.
It's just receipts.
I know, you know what they say.
What do they say?
Cluttered.
Tidy house, tidy mind. That's,
yeah,
what you're thinking of. Well, I kept my room tidy, so we're already improving.
But it needs to be car as well. Also, faithful over little, room over much. But
right, let's go fill up the car. So we are here, putting the mask on. Boom. Still so weird wearing a mask. Farm shop! I'm so excited because it makes me feel like I'm on holiday. You know, whenever I go on British holidays, there always seems to be a farm shop around. The problem is, you can't smell candles. I don't know if you can or can't. I love that. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, this is where my heart sings. What is that? Silicone cleaning brush. It's pretty cool. It's like it was meant for me. It's what I talk about these all the time, but they don't have the croissant one. I really like the croissant one. Jellycat toys are officially the best thing. But I can't touch them. I want to touch. Look at his face. It's an aubergine. Are you joking me? This is the best thing. I flipping love kids' toys. Look at that! Snack and a stack. That's fantastic. This is literally where I thrive.
This is so nice.
I love it. Should I buy the cherry pie if you don't? I don't know what that is, but I want it. Look at all this
extra jam.
This is incredible. This is what dreams are made of. Okay, so we just went into the farm shop and I did some damage as per usual.
No, it's not too bad.
I think it was quite restrained. And I bought presents, so I feel like if you're buying a present for someone, you have to get something for yourself, you know. Oh, my nose keeps breaking out. Boop. And now we're about to go to the gift section because I just want to, quite frankly. Okay. Why is this plant called Keith? How flipping cute. Also a bit scary. Just got to do a haul. You can be a witness to my haul. So we just had a good time at the farm, didn't we?
We had a fabulous time at the farm.
It was very empty though. This is chef's kiss. We got some olives from the deli. Obviously quite expensive, so I only half filled it because this alone was £2.62. But let me tell you, there's some garlic stuffed. There's some Nessorelli. What do you call that one?
I can't remember.
I wish they could see you witnessing this. And this is for our friends. Extra, extra large barbecue marshmallows because they said they wanted some the other day.
Can I have a look at the recipe cards, please?
I also got this green sriracha. No!
It's got dairy in.
No, that's not what I meant to get. I wanted to get chimichurri. Why the heck did I get that? What an idiot! I didn't mean to get this. I meant to get chimichurri, but I don't think they had it. I'm so annoyed. Oh well. Sauce shop got that. Guess I'll give that to Jessie. And can you go to a farm shop without getting a sweet in these little like weird plastic packaging? Blue raspberry bonbons, my jam. Guys, you won't believe it, but basically I started Couch to 5k. Now we all know I'm not athletic, I'm not sporty in any way, shape, form of the word. And I was like, you know what, I've never even given myself the chance to like running. I mean, I did park run like once or twice. So I'm starting Couch to 5k and I'm actually enjoying it. And I think it's because before, my friends would try and take me on a run and they're like really good. So they'd drag me on a run that was like miles and miles long and I would hate it and I'd be like, get me home and think I'm gonna puke. But this is because it's easing me into it, so I actually like it because it's easier. Couch to 5k, so they ease you in and it's like 3.8k first, I think, something like that. And you do like 1 minute on, 2 minutes off, that sort of thing. So we're gonna go now, and I do feel weird because I feel like whenever I do it I'm getting judged by people, like why does she keep running and stopping, but you just have to forget that and just think I'm doing this for me. I'm out here thriving, so I'll update you when I get home. Hi kids, so I'm actually going to bed now. I've had a wonderful day. It's actually gone really quickly. Time to go to sleep, my little guys and gals. Night. So it's Sunday now and I'm about to start my sourdough. I've been working on a sourdough starter for the past 7 days and I think it's finally ready. I'm not 100%, it might be a flop, but I'm really impatient. Okay, so here is my starter. It has little tiny bubbles in. It was about there this morning, so it's doubled up nicely. And in here we have the dough. I've just added in the levain that we made, and in 15 minutes I need to add in the salt. I've never actually made a sourdough at home before. I tried making a rye sour before and it just was an absolute disaster. So I've never made one like this, so hopefully it's actually going to work. Obviously I would do it at uni all the time, but I feel like it's different at uni because I had everything that I needed there, you know. Just added the salt and this is what she looks like. And I'm about to put my shoes on because we are about to go, where did I put my shoes? We're about to go to Aldi because basically this morning I woke up and I was really craving Nutella. I know that Aldi, my sentence, but I know that Aldi does chocolate hazelnut spread, and I'm hoping that they have it because it's the cheapest chocolate hazelnut spread and it really tastes really good. But it's a Sunday and I feel like it's going to be so heaving. So this is quite an emotional experience because I haven't been to Aldi since before lockdown. It feels like so long ago. It feels like such a distance. I can't even remember how to get there. No, I can. I'm just pranking you, just like to keep you on your toes, you know. Well, there is a massive queue, let me just tell you. Also, so can you just stay with me for a hot minute, please? So, question, there's loads of works on the road where I was driving, and the car wasn't moving even though the red light was, even though the green light was on. So I gave a gentle toot, but the thing is, toot sounds so aggressive, but it was just to let him know to go. And then he flipping swore at me. He put his finger up to me. That was so much fun. That was so much more of a better, even though we had to queue for quite a long time, that was such a better experience than normal in Aldi. Normally in Aldi, you're literally queuing for so long. I mean, it's like hectic in there, it's not a pleasant time. So, food haul time. Why do I do this every time? I don't need to buy any food, I have food at home, but I just feel compelled to try new things. Also, Aldi does have some of my faves that they don't do anywhere else. These sea salt and lime tortilla chips, absolutely incredible. I'm obsessed with cherries at the moment. Actually, I'm always obsessed with cherries. Cherries are my favourite fruit. Fun fact about Grack. Choco pillows. These little guys are like dairy-free versions of Crave. Really good. There was an American section and I just have never seen these. Thought I'd save them for a rainy day. Jaffa cakes for Dad because they're his fave. Although I think he doesn't like non-branded ones. I also bought some marshmallows for Dad. Apparently some like, oh, we've got a car coming. Big marshmallow ones. He complained yesterday that I didn't get many as a joke, but he loves marshmallows, so I got him some. And I got these dairy-free salted caramel. They've got like caramel running through the middle of them, and I think they've got nuts on them. They just look really good, and I really wanted the peanut butter one. They have a peanut butter one, but they didn't have it there, so we just have to go without. Let's crank the flipping aircon up because it is hot. Hi, so I'm just preparing dinner. Because we're going to do kebabs on the barbecue and we're going to let them marinade because we have this mango and lime Nando's thing left over from Father's Day. I was going to update them on something, Mum, but I can't remember what it was.
Father's Day.
What was I going to tell them?
I have no idea, huh?
What life updates do you have? What updates do you think I would have to give them? Nothing, because nothing's been happening.
I don't know, we'll go out for a run in that ridiculous wind.
Yes,
we
very
might get blown around.
Yeah, and do you want to show them your seagulls? I love cooked stuffed mushrooms. It's one of my favourite things. I might ask for that for my birthday lunch, you know. It's nearly my birthday, gotta get my birthday list ready. Oh, crazy. Look at all those tiny stitches she's made. What the heck? She's a wizard, Hattie. See, my therapy is baking, but I've been told I have to stop baking.
No, you
Apparently.
haven't. No, we've said if you're going to do all the baking, you need to give it to other people all the time because.
Yeah, but family are a bit more accepting of my bakes in terms of if.
Always delicious.
Not always. Sometimes I have a whoopsie. But yeah, if something goes wrong, then I don't like to give it to people because I want them to. Oh no, the chicken's still a bit frozen.
Leave it out.
Oh, that's fine because I can. Once I've cut it, it's just to marinate. Yeah. And you go sweaty and hot. It felt really hard today. I'm not gonna lie. It's the first day that I've been a bit like, I don't want to do this. I think it's because mum and dad came with me. It actually helped like spur me on a little bit. And the bread is coming on nicely. The kebabs are marinating. We're here for a good time. A masterpiece. Dad is getting ready for some marshmallows. Excited?
Yeah.
You want to show them your contraption? Are they good ones? Show them how it goes down and up. Oh, it's a double pronged.
Yeah.
A double-edged sword.
So where's my... Don't get hot. Don't get too hot. Look at that. It's about a 6 metre reach.
Just found out as well that it rotates. So you hold down here, twist it, and they rotate.